Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Zelle limit for $5,000 a day. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Now, let's get started. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money to and from friends and family. It's a very convenient way to make payments, and it's also very secure. How does Zelle work? To use Zelle, you need to link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Once you've done that, you can send money to anyone who has a Zelle account. To send money to someone using Zelle, simply enter their email address or phone number. You can then enter the amount you want to send and the reason for the payment. The money will be transferred to the recipient's account almost immediately. What is the Zelle limit for $5,000 a day? The Zelle limit for $5,000 a day is the maximum amount of money that you can send or receive in a single day. This limit is in place to help prevent fraud and money laundering. How can I increase my Zelle limit? If you need to send or receive more than $5,000 in a day, you can contact Zelle customer support and request an increase to your limit. What are the benefits of using Zelle? There are a number of benefits to using Zelle, including: it's fast and easy to use. It's secure. It's free to use. It's available to anyone with a bank account or debit card. What are the risks of using Zelle? There are also some risks associated with using Zelle, including: you could send money to the wrong person. You could be a victim of a scam. You could lose your money if your bank account or debit card is compromised. How can I protect myself from fraud when using Zelle? There are a number of things you can do to protect yourself from fraud when using Zelle, including: only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful about clicking on links or downloading attachments from suspicious emails or text messages. Never give out your personal information, such as your bank account number or password, to anyone you don't know. Monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious activity to Zelle customer support. Zelle is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using it. By following the tips in this video, you can help protect yourself from fraud and enjoy the benefits of using Zelle. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.